inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Yes, just being called as a school leader doesn't mean that you are a leader. Rather, your actions and inspiration for others decide that you are a leader. Respected Principal Sir, my teachers, my friends, and all my dear juniors, I am Anchalani Sahu of Standard 11, standing for the position of school leader for this session. According to me, studies are really important part of education. However, extracurricular activities are also equally important to shape our future. If I am appointed as a school leader, I shall prioritize studies, physical activities, and physical health equally. And I shall ensure that each and every student gets equal opportunity to showcase their talents and skills in whatever field they want. I shall be always there to support each one of them whenever they need. I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience in this field as I was a former member of cabinet in the year 2018, and I'm grateful that I got teachers who always supported me with their guidance and blessings. This year I want to be a school leader and take the charge of being a school leader so that I could create a fruitful session for the students and make them explore in all of different types of fields. Being a school leader just doesn't mean that carrying the badges, rather being a responsible one who could take care of the students along with being understanding and a good listener. Yes, good listener and understanding and being responsible are those qualities that a leader should always hold. And I think I will definitely justify my position as a school leader as I have experience in many kind of activities and I shall be a bridge between the students and the teachers. I shall always make sure that my cabinet would work as a team and our school will feel proud on them. I hope that all of you are going to make a right decision in choosing the school leader. With this, I would like to conclude by saying that let's work together to do good and to be good. Yes, we need to do better and be better. Thank you so much.
Well, it usually takes me more than a week to complete a good impromptu speech, but here I am completing within hours. Anyways, let's get back to my thing. A very pleasant day to each one of you listening to me. I hope everybody is fit and fine. Respected principals, sir, teachers, and all the people watching me. I appraise you my nomination for the candidature of school leader. This is Bishwajita Dandapat of Standard 11, and I hope you all know me. I'm here to elucidate why I'm standing for the post of school leader. Well, in my opinion, a leader is the one who creates a culture where everybody can put forward their ideas and make sure that they are valued. Therefore, with utmost sincerity, positivity, and optimism, I promise to work hard and help others to excel in their endeavors, because the challenges of a leader is to be strong but not rude, be kind but not weak, be thoughtful but not lazy, and be proud but not arrogant. I promise to work with clarity in mind, purity at heart, and dynamism in action, because this position is not filled with sashes and crowns. Rather, this is something after which you realize that the word success comes after hard work, even in the dictionary. Okay, so over the years I have been actively participating in all the house activities. Furthermore, being a part of dance community, I know how does it feel to embrace art, to lead a group, and how a single person can be groomed to be a leader. And with the spread of the pandemic, we have been denied some of the very common school experiences, starting from learning in the classroom to sports day and annual day. We miss them all. I miss them all. But I can make unsure promises to make an effort to bring them back, to bring normalcy back, because this is something, to be honest, for which we are actually working, striving, and hoping for. But here, right here, with this opportunity, this investiture ceremony, this is the beginning of normalcy. But yes, I can promise to act as a medium between you and the school, between you and the cabinet, and among yourselves. I promise to act as a medium to be your voices to be heard and your talents to be seen and showcased. With this, I'll assure to lift and keep the banner of the school of love flying high up above the sky, mounted with selfless service and hosted with dignity, and flattering with grace. With hope and faith, this is me, Vishwajita. Thank you so much.
I'm Dishna Jain of class 9B, and today I stand in the category of school assistant leader. You must be thinking that why should I be the leader? Well, I thought that too, and I also thought that what does a school assistant leader do? Well, in my opinion, a school assistant leader assists the leader in helping maintaining the school's decorum and discipline, especially in the pandemic times when the most important thing is safety. With the help of rules and regulations, we will try to maintain more discipline and safety. I will also make it sure about the maintenance of the house maintenance, and with the help of teachers and others, I will also try my best to assist the school to have a more progressive year. I will try to be a more responsible and reliable person so that our school will achieve more progress and will achieve greater heights. I will try my best in my capacity to perform my responsibilities in a proper way. I can't predict anything. I guess none of us can. But I will make sure that whenever there will be odd situations, I will try my best to assist my school and my and its students. Thank you for patient hearing.
Leadership is not something that can be learned or taught. Leadership is something about having a vision and aim. Hello, good morning everyone present over here. Before going ahead, I, Priyanshu Kumar Sahu, extend a warm welcome to every person present over here and listening to me. Also, I want to thank all for giving me this golden opportunity to share my thoughts on why I stand for. Well, I believe the school students and the cabinets does not only form the association, rather they form a family where leaders take responsibility to stand and represent you all. Even if I didn't lead a team in the school cabinet, but taking initiatives in right direction and appropriate position leads to good results. I ensure if I stand as a representative, I will surely try to give my best to represent you, your thoughts, opinions.
Good morning, one and all present over here, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. I, Somyaranjan Jena of class 9B, standing before you to tell about why I stand for school assistant leader. Leadership is an opportunity to serve. It is with this vision I aspire to be your assistant leader. If selected, I would love to lead by example, not just in academic pursuits but in all co-curricular activities as well. First of all, let me talk about reach. Most of us have potential and many of us have not discovered what is it all about. One of my most first priorities will be the create opportunities for everyone to display their skills and talent. We cannot do it on our own. We are blessed to have the opportunity to study in the school has always set standards of excellence not only in academic results but more importantly in student-teacher relationship. The second thought I want to share with you is about respect. Why is this important? This is important because we live in a world where mind, muscle and money power rules. Human rights are constantly being violated. Intolerance between communities is growing. It is this context that respect for others should be taught and understood and appreciated in our classrooms. The third thought is about relationship. What is the point in studying in the same school and sitting on the same bench and not knowing what your friends' difficulties in life are? We have become so selfish that we do not care for those who are hurting. So as your leader, one of my priorities will be to create healthy relationships in classrooms, thus paving the foundations of friendships that will last a lifetime. So these are my main thoughts. 1. Let us strive to reach our full potential. 2. Let us create an atmosphere of respect. And 3. Let us also try to build lasting relationships. So I seek your cooperation, for nothing can be done by a leader alone. This I have done with all my heart. Now it is your turn to respond to this vision. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Subrashankar Pradhan of class 11, standing as the sports secretary for this year, as well as this is my first year in the cabinet. If I get a chance to be in the part of the cabinet as the sports secretary, I will try my best to encourage the children to take part in the sports competitions held in school level as well as in the zonal levels. Being a leader, I am open to criticism and look forward to improve myself. So I would like that you all can provide your problems and concerns to me as well as your precious advices to me too. I am well acquainted with sports as I have taken in various sports activities and competitions in zonal as well as school level. So if I get the opportunity to be the part of the cabinet as a sports secretary, I will enhance the children in the field of sports. Thank you.
Is great not because of their power but because of their ability to empower others. Good morning, one and all present over here. Respected principal sir, teachers, and my brothers and sisters. I am Vishwambar Pradhan of class 11 standing for the position of a sports secretary. I am privileged to get this type of opportunity to tell why I stand for the position of a sports secretary. Leadership is about keeping the goal of a society before the goal of an individual. It is about the vision to achieve the target. With this motive, I will be obliged to your service and your concern with the mass benefit. In the field of sports, as an athlete, I understand the value of sports both in health and well-being. I will never be the cause of any refusal towards any your concern for a good reason. And most importantly, leadership follow the golden rule of talk less and work more. Thank you for your patience hearing.
Good evening, everyone. I am Darshan Jain from class 9, standing here for the category of sports secretary. Healthy mind resides in healthy body. From my childhood, I have always felt that sports has been an integrated part in an individual. As a person, I have learned from my parents, my teachers, and all my seniors before me that sports is not only the subject that is taught once in a week as a mandatory period, but it's something that which helps in someone's life to excel in. Since my childhood, I've always liked the sports, and badminton is one of my favorites. I have been honored a lot of times having a good skills in badminton, and I'm very grateful to that. I would like to express my interest in sports by being the sports secretary of 2021 and 2022, and would like to decrease the lacks of our school and increase the atmosphere of sports and fitness in our school and in our students and in our teachers to keep them fit in this COVID situation. And thank you for patient listening. I hope you would.
A very good morning to all, respected principals, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Pragya Priya Pradhan of Standard 11, standing for the position of the Cultural Secretary. First of all, the question arises why I want to be the Cultural Secretary. I myself love to take part in various cultural events. Cultural events no doubt have a key role in distressing the mind and at the same time shaping it artistically. So, I want to be the cultural secretary so that I can organize beautiful and colorful cultural events that will bring out the creative side of us in this monotonous time. Secondly, why I deserve this position. I deserve this position because I believe I have all those qualities which a cultural secretary should have. With everyone's support, I can very well manage and coordinate cultural events. I have participated in many events conducted in the school and even outside. And moreover, I have been the captain of Yaju Sadan for the past 2 years and have taken every responsibilities very sincerely. Additionally, I can effectively communicate with others and understand them. and most importantly, I'm a good listener. But the responsibility of the cultural secretary is not just coordinating events, but also ensuring more and more number of students to participate in the cultural events. If I become the cultural secretary, I will ensure more and more number of active participation in all cultural events. I will provide them a platform to showcase their talents. I will look after all events and make sure that all events run smoothly and in an effective manner, manifesting the importance of art and culture. I believe together we can make our school a better place for everyone. Hope you make the right decision. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste, Salam to everyone. This is me, Swayam Swastik from class 11 and I stand for Cultural Secretary of the school. This is a big question that why I stand for. Answering these questions would take up to the next year's investiture ceremony as I strongly believe that not only my speech but my work and passion should answer this question. Most of the politicians give fantastic speech, but I believe myself that I may not give a fantastic speech, but I can work hard to give you all a soothing experience of culture of our school. I would take everyone's suggestions into my account and accordingly act upon it. Most of you are aware that I have been the captain of Samasadan since 2019, and from that I have gained a lot of experience and new ideas. I would gather your particular problems and find a solution of the same. I make sure that none of you will be getting a chance to complain for my ideas. So please vote for me, Swayam Swastik, and give me this opportunity to work for the culture of our school. Thank you for your patience hearing. Have a charming day.
A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. A very pleasant August morning to one and all present over here. Respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Madhushmita Sahu of class 9 wanted to become the cultural secretary of the school, which is a part of school cabinet. I believe that I am capable of this post because I am good at different cultural skills like art, music, dance, etc. And if I became the cultural secretary, I will wholeheartedly look after the organization of different functions, events of the school and help my teachers and friends. I will provide a platform to different students to show their talents, and I will make sure that each and every student of the school will engage themselves in different co-curricular activities and take part in different events. I have many ideas to organize the school events and functions, and if I became the cultural secretary, I will implement it and I will make sure that every occasion, every function, every event of the school will be a fruitful and successful one. Thank you for a patient for listening. I hope you will vote for me. Do vote for me and I will do the best for you. Thank you.